Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn your microphone on in Windows 10, right? So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask you, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, I just want to come to our start menu right here, click on that, and then I want us to visit our settings. Click on settings right there, right? So once you do that, this should be opening up, right? So now I want you to click on privacy, and then this should be opening up. Now I want you to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you will see you have this microphone right here. So click on that, and then this should be opening up. Now as you can see, mine is already on, so microphone access for this device is on. So yours, if it's off, you can probably just click on change, and then this should be opening up, so you can unmark this. Make sure you turn it off. So if you want to turn it on, make sure this is on, right? So yeah, that's how you can turn your microphone on in Windows 10. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. We'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.